Cloudways Affiliate Program Review Usage Experience. Welcome to this Cloudways Affiliate Program Review. If you're considering joining, check out the links in the description below. Let's get straight to it. Cloudways is a top-tier managed cloud hosting provider offering powerful hosting solutions with providers like DigitalOcean, AWS, Google Cloud, Vultr, and Linode. It's designed for bloggers, businesses, agencies, and developers who need high-performance hosting with flexibility. The Cloudways affiliate program is one of the most lucrative in the industry, providing two commission structures: the slab model, which pays up to $125 per sale, and the hybrid model, which offers $30 per sale plus a recurring 7% lifetime commission. This makes it ideal for affiliates who prefer either high upfront payouts or long-term passive income. One standout feature is the real-time tracking dashboard, allowing affiliates to monitor clicks, conversions, and commissions in real time. The cookie duration is 90 days, ensuring a high chance of earning commissions from referred users. Cloudways provides extensive marketing support, including custom banners, landing pages, and co-branded campaigns, making it easy to promote. Another big advantage is the reputation and reliability of Cloudways itself. Users benefit from fast-loading websites, 24/7 expert support, automated backups, and a simple pay-as-you-go pricing model, making it a high-converting product. The payouts are fast and reliable, with affiliates receiving commissions via PayPal or wire transfer, with a minimum withdrawal of $250. Compared to other hosting affiliate programs, Cloudways stands out for its flexible commission structure, extended cookie duration, and high-converting services. It's a great choice for bloggers, tech influencers, and agencies looking to earn high commissions promoting a reputable hosting provider. If you're ready to start earning with Cloudways, check out the affiliate link in the description. Thanks for watching.